Good morning, music friends. So good to see you. This is Mr. Benson, and I am so happy you can join me today. By the way, the name of that song is The Victors, and it was written by a man named Louis Elbow, and is nationally known as the fight song for the University of Michigan Wolverines. So, let's stand up, music friends. Join me with your voices. Let's warm us up. Ready? Do, mi, so. So, mi, fa. Fa, mi, so. So, fa, la. La, so, do. Do, re, do. Do, do, re, mi. Mi, re, re, so. So, mi, mi, do. Great job, music friends. Very good. By the way, tell me this instrument. If you guessed trombone, you are correct. It is made of brass. It's a member of the brass family of instruments. However, it's the only one to use a slide to change the notes. Unlike the trumpet, remember when I played the trumpet a few weeks ago, I pressed valves on top of the trumpet to change my notes there. But this one, I use a slide to change the notes. Depending on the length of tubing, depends on the note that comes out. Also, the mouthpiece is similar to trumpet, but much bigger. So, buzz my lips into the mouthpiece. And that starts the sound. Then it goes into the instrument. And because of the slide, you can do fun things on the trombone like glissandos. Listen, I can smear a note from one note to another. I'll go from an F to a B flat. Isn't that cool? Trumpets can't do that because of the valves, but because of the slide, you can glissando on a trombone. Now, this is definitely an instrument you can play in 6th grade band, and I want to show you a piece that features a glissando. See if you can guess this mystery melody. Do you know it? Music friends, if you do, keep it in your mind. We'll talk about it later in the lesson. All right, third grade friends. We've got Clara Schumann Cat here to show us some musical symbols. Let's take a look. First of all, we have the treble clef, or G clef. This is called a time signature, specifically 3/4 time signature. Remember what they mean. 3 beats in a measure, quarter note gets 1 beat. Say that again with me. 3 beats in a measure, quarter note gets 1 beat. These are the lines of the treble clef or G clef staff. Let's say it together, and let's use a saying. Every good boy does fine. Let's do that again. Every good boy does fine. So that translates to E, G, B, D, F. Again, E, G, B, D, F. The lines of the G clef or treble clef staff. And then we have the spaces of that same clef. So this is treble clef or G clef spaces, and we count from the bottom, F, A, C, E. Those letters spell a word, music friends. What is it? That's right, it's face. F, A, C, E. Remembering, we count the lines and the spaces from the bottom to the top. So the first line is right here. Second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. The spaces numbered the same way. First space, second space, third space, and fourth space. Spaces of the treble clef staff. Okay, so let's identify this note. We know it from our ukulele units. This is letter C. Letter C, and specifically, it's middle C. This is letter D. Letter D. Letter E. This is letter E. Letter F. This is a letter F. Letter G. This is letter G. And we have the treble clef or G clef. We're back to the beginning. Okay, next, Beethoven Bear with some rhythms. Okay, music friends, let's count and clap these rhythms together, or you can use your homemade shaker to do the same thing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 2, ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Let's go on to the next one. 1, 2, ready, and go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Again, 2, ready, and go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Last one. 1, 2, ready, and go. 1, and 3. Again, 2, and ready, and go. 1, and 3. And there you have it. Music symbol ID with Clara and rhythms with Beethoven. We'll continue with our singing. Okay, music friends, for our singing portion today, I want to sing 2 different songs. The first one is Skip to My Lou. We're going to learn the 4th verse. So, 4th verse goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my Lou, my darling. Okay, try it with me now. Ready? 1, 2, and ready, and go. Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Very good. Okay, now, let's see if you remember this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. tuba boinzy, tuba boinzy, tuba boinzy, tuba boinzy, paquabado, boinzy, paquabigina, paquabado, boinzy, paquabigina. Do you remember it? If you guessed the Pine Nut Song, you are correct. So, Pine Nut Song is a song from our local Paiute Shoshone Indian tribes. It's a song to celebrate the Pine Nut Festival that they do and the harvest they do in the fall. When they harvest the pine nuts and then they take them to other local tribes in the Northern California area. So, my colleague in music, her name is Michelle McCauley. Miss McCauley taught that to me, and now I'm teaching it to you guys. It's a review. I taught it to you in the fall as well. But let's do it again together. Remember, take your pine nut seed and just turn it. Okay, it's rotating your wrist. So it's tuba boinzy, and then move it down and do the same thing. Tuba boinzy, tuba boinzy, tuba boinzy. Good. So that's the A section. The B section goes like this. Paquabado, boinzy, and then flip your hands around, so palm up. Paquabigina, then flip them back. Paquabado, boinzy, then flip them back up. Paquabigina, and that's it. Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Tuba boinzy, tuba boinzy, tuba boinzy, tuba boinzy, paquabado, boinzy, paquabigina, paquabado, boinzy, paquabigina. You did it, music friends. Excellent job. Air high fives. The next portion we have is our mystery melody. Music friends, so what was today's mystery melody? The answer to that is the Muppet Show theme song. Now, this was taken from The Muppet Show, which was a comedy and variety show that aired on television from 1976 to 1981. You should go check it out. It's hilarious. The Muppets are a fun group, and I strongly encourage you to check it out. So, that is the Muppet Show theme song. Let's learn it now. It has words that go with it. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to meet the Muppets on the Muppet Show tonight. It's time to put on makeup. It's time to dress up right. It's time to raise the curtain on the Muppet Show tonight. Okay, let's go again. And this time, let's sing it just a little bit faster. There's a little bit of syncopation, which is a little bit more emphasis on the upbeat of each value, of each quarter note value of the ands. So, got a little syncopation to it. We'll go a little bit faster. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to meet the Muppets on the Muppet Show tonight. It's time to put on makeup. It's time to dress up right. It's time to raise the curtain on the Muppet Show tonight. Good, good. We're going to do it again. Let's add our homemade shakers this time. So what I want you to do is add beats 2 and 4 like I was just snapping. So it'll be, it's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. Okay? I'll pat it down here, okay? On my leg, it'll be a little bit softer. I don't want it to be too loud for the video. Okay, so let's do that. And then at the very end, we're going to do Muppet Show tonight. So it's 1, 2, and 4. Up, 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 up. Let's try that a few times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Muppet Show tonight. Let's do it again. And say it with the rhythm of Muppet Show tonight. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Muppet Show tonight. Again, 2, 3, 4. Muppet Show tonight. One more time. Ready, go. Muppet Show tonight. Here we go. So we'll go 2 and 4 until the end where it says Muppet Show tonight. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to meet the Muppets on the Muppet Show tonight. It's time to put on makeup. It's time to dress up right. It's time to raise the curtain on the Muppet Show tonight. You did it. Very good job, music friends. Very good job. All right. The next thing we'll do is close out and review what we did today. So, music friends, what did we do today? We heard Mr. Benson play The Victors. We sang Solfege Echoes. We identified the instrument that Mr. Benson played on, which is called the trombone. It's a member of the brass family of instruments, and it's something that you can play when you get to 6th grade. We heard a mystery melody on the trombone. We did musical symbol identifications with NaNoWriMouse. We did rhythms with Beethoven Bear. We sang Skip to My Lou, verse 4, with the motions. We sang the Pine Nut Song with our motions. Lastly, we learned what the mystery melody was for today, which is called the Muppet Show theme song. So music friends, it was so nice to have you today. Please watch this video again later this week and join me next week for our next lesson. In the meantime, music friends, stay healthy and safe. Keep washing those hands. Keep your room clean. I'm sure your mother will really appreciate that. And have a musical day. Let's sing. Music friends, goodbye everybody. Yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Let's make music, yes indeed, yes indeed, my friends. Goodbye, boys and girls. We'll see you next time, music friends. Until then, have a wonderful week.